Have you ever wondered what everything is made of? The air you breathe, the water you drink, the phone in your hand. The story of how we found the answers is a wonderful adventure. It is the story of chemistry. We're going to take a short trip through time. We will travel back thousands of years and see how our understanding grew. This journey will take us from ancient fires to modern laboratories. It is a story filled with brilliant minds, strange ideas, amazing discoveries that changed the world forever. Understanding this story helps us understand ourselves and the world we live in. Chemistry is not just a subject in a classroom. It is happening all around us, all the time. When you cook an egg, you are a chemist. The egg white turns from clear liquid to solid white. That is a chemical reaction. When a car's engine burns fuel to move, that is chemistry at work. Even inside our own bodies, countless chemical reactions keep us alive every single second. They help us think, move, and grow. So, in a way, we are all chemists, part of this grand unfolding story of matter and change. This journey is not just about the past, it is about the present and the future. This story begins not with scientists in white coats, but with curious people long ago. They looked at the world with wonder. They saw rocks that could be melted to make strong metals. They found plants that could create beautiful colors to dye their clothes. They learned to make glass from sand and fire. These were the very first steps. They were practical steps, driven by need and curiosity. It was the beginning of a long and fascinating road, a path that would lead humanity to unlock the deepest secrets of the material world. It is a story of human ingenuity. So, let us begin our 10-minute journey through time. We will start in the smoky workshops of ancient alchemists. We will meet the thinkers who dared to ask new questions. We will see how they learned to measure, to test, and to build theories. Each discovery was like finding a new piece of a giant puzzle, and as the pieces came together, a beautiful and intricate picture of our universe began to emerge. This is the story of how we learned to speak the language of molecules. It is the story of chemistry. Let's step back in time. Our story starts thousands of years ago in places like ancient Egypt, Greece, and China. Ancient Egypt, Greece, China. This was the time of the alchemists. These early thinkers were not quite scientists as we know them today. They were a mix of philosopher, mystic, and artisan. They had two great goals. One was to find the philosopher's stone, a legendary substance. They believed it could turn common metals, like lead, into pure gold.